one-stop shop. I could see all the materials, the tile floor, the tile bathroom, the countertops, and make a selection. I didn't have to run from place to place to pick out this and hope that things were going to match. I liked very much working with Charlene, who was excellent at her job, and she understood that I wanted to have some input. They make the process easier, know exactly what that timeline is. You can go online and see it, but we had a great project manager, Kyle Roby, who always was in touch with me. So I knew when the team was showing up. All the contractors that they used and the Volpe people were excellent. They did their job. They just had the right amount of friendliness. I felt like they were going to take good care of my house. Yeah, I would recommend. I like their process. I didn't want to be responsible for coordinating plumbers and electricians and tile makers and painters. I wanted Volpe to do that, and that's what they did, and they did it well.